Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to remove the front bumper on Audi A5 B8. In order to start removing the bumper, first we need to remove the bolts that hold the mudguards to the bumper. There is a bolt right there that holds the bumper to the wing, but in my case there is no bolt. We also remove the bolts on the bottom of the bumper. If the video is useful, please like and subscribe. Now remove the bolts on the other mudguard. Next we start removing this plastic cover on top of the bumper. There is another 4 bolts holding the bumper, 2 on each side, that we need to remove. 2 of the bolts are just over there. They're size 10, you need a size 10 socket, and the other 2 are on the other side that we need to remove. Now that we removed the 4 bolts, we can remove the bumper. And that's the bumper removed. Now we need to disconnect a couple of connectors and remove it. Thank you for watching.